Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about mukbang, a growing trend in the online food community. Mukbang involves individuals live streaming themselves, eating large amounts of food while interacting with their audience. It's a form of ASMR, or autonomous sensory meridian response, which is a tingling sensation people experience when they watch or listen to certain stimuli. What is mukbang and its rise to popularity? Mukbang is a Korean word that means eating broadcast. The trend originated in South Korea and quickly spread to other parts of the world. Mukbang enthusiasts enjoy the live streaming aspect of the trend, as it allows them to interact with their audience and feel like they are dining with friends. The potential health risks of mukbang. However, eating large amounts of food for entertainment purposes can have negative effects on your health. Overconsumption of unhealthy foods can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and other related health problems. Furthermore, the act of eating large portions in a short amount of time can also cause digestive problems and discomfort. Alternative healthy approaches to mukbang. If you enjoy mukbang, there are ways to enjoy it in a healthier manner. You can opt for healthier foods such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. You can also practice moderation by controlling portion sizes and taking breaks in between bites to chew properly and avoid overeating. In conclusion, mukbang is a fun and interactive way to enjoy food and connect with others. However, it's important to be mindful of the potential health risks and to approach it in a balanced and healthy manner. So, remember to enjoy your food in moderation, and don't forget to chew. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food-related content.